Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video, I will be teaching you the best way to say I and you when combined with other nouns in a sentence. Okay, by this, I mean sentences like Helen and I will meet later. You and your friends are funny. As you can see right here, the subject is composed of the pronoun I and another subject, while the other one is composed of you and another subject. In Tagalog, you can say, magkikita ako at si Helen mamaya. Nakakatawa ka at ang mga kaibigan mo. These two are both correct. However, there is a more common way of saying these in Tagalog. I say more common because this is how you would normally hear Filipinos say these in conversations. Okay, let's start with the pronoun I combined with other subjects. So I'll take the first example earlier. The best way to say this in Tagalog is magkikita kami ni Helen mamaya. Or if it's combined with more than one other subject, let's say Helen, Hector, and I will meet later, you can say magkikita kami ni na Helen at Hector mamaya. So the rule is you start with the verb or adjective and then kami, which is we in English. And then you add ni if it's just one other subject, like the first example, ni Helen, or ni na if there's more than one, ni na Helen at Hector. And then you add the rest of the sentence. Okay, another example. Mom and I will leave early. Aalis kami ni Mama ng maaga. Now, ni and nina only applies if the other subject is a name of a person or how you would call or how you usually address that other person, like mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Now, if the other subject is not a name or how you would call somebody, you use nang. Okay, I'll give you one example. My mom and I will go to Davao tomorrow. So the other subject, my mom, is not how you would really call your mom, right? You call your mom, mom, mama, nanay, but not my mom. So here, you use nang. Pupunta kami ng nanay ko sa Davao. Okay, another example. My classmates and I will watch a movie. Manonood kami ng mga kaklase ko ng pelikula. The director and I know each other. Magkakilala kami ng direktor. Now, if the pronoun is you, it's just a little bit different. Okay, let me take the example earlier. You and your friends are funny. You start with the verb plus the pronoun kayo, or in English, that means you in plural, and then ni or nina or nang, depending on the other subject, and then you add the rest of the sentence. Okay, so for this one, nakakatawa kayo ng mga kaibigan mo. Another one, you and Patricia will sing at the Christmas party. Kakanta kayo ni Patricia sa Christmas party. You and Martin will ride a train. Sasakay kayo ni Martin ng tren. You and your brother look alike. Magkamukha kayo ng kapatid mo. Well, that is it for today's Tagalog Shorts. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Sa susunod ulit, paalam.